Hello kids! Welcome to my channel.
Days of the week. Hello kids. Let's learn about the days of the week. So kids, do you know how many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. Monday, Monday. Tuesday, Tuesday. Wednesday, Wednesday. Thursday, Thursday. Friday, Friday. Saturday, Saturday. Sunday, Sunday.
So kids, days of the week are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Stay with us for more learning videos. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.